Yo, what's up? It's your boy TrixPH, and for today's video, I will teach you how to always desktop mode or desktop view on Android, so that whenever you will go to your browser, you always get desktop view or desktop mode. And also, I'm gonna show you how to mobile view or mobile mode in case you need it. So let's start. And the browser we're gonna using is Chrome. And before doing anything, make sure you always up to date the Chrome. So let's go to Play Store and then type Chrome and then make sure to update this before you do anything. So let's update this. So here is it. It's up to date, and make sure your Chrome is up to date. And after that, let's go to Chrome. Let's tap open. Then as you can see, this on desktop view. Always whenever I visit the Chrome, it's always on desktop view or desktop mode. The next step is go here. We call that hamburger menu, and then just stop it, and then after that, find settings here. Yes, and then settings, and then find the settings here, settings, and then after that, scroll up, and then you will gonna see this top side, and then top, and then here the first the first time you visit this, it will look like this. It's not activated, and all we need to do is tap this one, and then it will be activated, and then voila, that's it. That's basic. So it's basic, so I'm gonna show you the desktop mode, uh mobile mode first, and then here, and then when you go here, settings, and then site settings, and then desktop, and then we will gonna activate this one. So right here. So from this to this, from this to this, it's like a shortcut here. It's like a shortcut here. So if you only use this, it will not gonna stay always desktop mode. Whenever you exit this browser, it will come back to mobile mode. If ever you didn't set up here and on the settings on desktop view as what you've seen a while ago. So basically, this browser is always on desktop mode. Whenever you visit this browser, it always on desktop mode. So if ever, whenever you get bored and you want to come back on mobile view for just a second, just take this one. Just take this one, and then you'll get back on the mobile view. But when you exit this one, exit that one, and then if you come back again here, it will always goes back to um desktop view. set this up here in the settings, and then site settings, and then here desktop site, and then that's it. So if this video helped you, please share the video and then subscribe for more. It's your boy 2xph. I'm out.